Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video, there is a super job opportunity from two companies, DRDO, National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Delhi. Work location, Hyderabad. So we'll discuss complete details in this video. Before going into a main content viewers, a small request, those who are visiting channel for a first time, please do subscribe channel for all latest job updates and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. Viewers, we had n number of positions for both freshers and experience. First notification from National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, Delhi, and work location is Delhi, Kolkata, Secunderabad. And viewers, we had Assistant Programmer B position, salary 20,900, minimum 1 year experience is mandatory. Assistant Manager B position, viewers, salary is 20,900 and 1 year experience is mandatory. Next, Assistant Manager B for Secunderabad, Assistant Network Engineering. For these four positions also, salary is 20,900 and qualifications are the candidates who have completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech in Computer Science, Engineering, Computer Technology, Information Technology, Computer Science, Information Technology or Computer Applications, MCA, BSc Computer Science Engineering. 4 years degree if you are done, you are eligible for this position. Viewers, for first three positions. When we come to Assistant Network Engineering position, viewers, BE, BTech, ME, MTech in Electronics, Communication, Electrical, Telecommunication, relevant degree from recognized university candidates can apply for this position. Viewers. Next we had Programmer C position, minimum 2 years experience is mandatory. Candidates who have completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA, BSc Computer Science are eligible for this position. Relevant degree from AICTE UGC recognized institute or equivalent qualification candidates can also apply for this position. Next we had Senior Programmer position, salary 38,500, minimum 3 years experience is mandatory. Candidates who have completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech can apply for this position. And same for Senior Programmer, Kolkata location. And when we come to the Network Specialist position, viewers, candidates who have completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech in Electronics, Electronics and Communication, Electrical and Electronics and Telecommunication, relevant degree candidates can apply for this position, salary 40,000. Next we had System Analyst, candidates who have completed BE, BTech, ME, MTech, MCA and as well as BSc Computer Science Engineering can apply for this position, viewers. And next, Programmer Assistant, fresher can apply for this position, salary is 21,420, bachelor degree in Computer Science, Computer Application, IT, Electronics and Communication candidates are eligible for this position, viewers. And next we had Developer position, BE, BTech, CS, IT, MCA, candidates can apply. Minimum 60% marks need to be scored by them in their academics. Salary is 45,000. Next we had Programmer Assistant position, viewers, bachelor degree in Computer Science, Computer Applications, Electronics and Communication, bachelor degree in Science, Maths, Statistics, Economics, Commerce, Operations, Research with 1 year A-level PGDCA candidates can also apply for this position, viewers. At least 1 year experience is mandatory. Salary is 27,000. Next we had System Analyst positions, BE, BTech and as well as those who have done their graduation in Commerce, Operation Research, Economics, Maths, Statistics candidates can also apply. And minimum they need to have 50% marks in their academics. They need to score 50% marks. And next we had Programmer positions and as well as IT Assistant positions. Those who have completed graduation with a stream of IT, O-level 1 year diploma in CS, IT, Computer Applications from recognized university, or else BCA, BSc, IT, CS candidates can apply for this position. Even fresher are eligible. And we had 10 positions. Salary is 20,000. So you need to apply online from 31st January 2022, 15th Feb 2021 through website. So they clearly mention the website address also you need to log in with your valid email ID and contact number. And as well as viewers, application process starts from 31st January 2021 till 15th Feb 2021. When we come to the application fee, viewers, application fee is 600 rupees for general OBC category and 300 rupees for ST, SC, PWE and women category through online mode only. So those who are interested can apply for this position, viewers. No TA, DA will be provided to the candidate for the interview or written test or document verification. This is also a very important point. And work location, as we discussed, Delhi, Secunderabad, like I mean to say Hyderabad and Kolkata. Those who are interested can apply for these positions. I'll provide a website link and as well as official notification link in the description. Viewers, next from DRDO, they are hiring ITA apprentice position, viewers, for 1 year. Positions are fitter, turner, mechanist, mechanist grinder, pattern maker, welder, electrician, machine tool maintenance, diesel mechanic, mechanic, RNAC, electronic lab assistant, CNC programmer cum operator, attendant operator, chemical plant, painter, computer networking technician, computer operator and programming assistant. Candidates who have completed their ITA in respective fields can apply for this position, viewers. Completion of training does not entitle candidate any right to climb temporarily. So this is a contract based position, viewers. Last date to apply for this position is 15th February 2021 and date of commencement of training is 1st April 2021. So those who are interested, you can download the application form, fill up all relevant details like trade and as well as which position you are going to apply, documents and as well as apprentice registration number, name of a candidate, date of birth, father name, mother name and all the details as per the SSC certificates, caste details, mobile number, address, Aadhaar card. Each and every details you need to fill up and you need to submit the applications. Those who are interested can apply online. Candidates must apply online at www.apprenticeship.org. Incomplete online applications, that is no Aadhaar link, date of birth, name and father name, mismatch in Aadhaar or SSC certificate and online applications will be rejected. So those who are interested, viewers, can apply for this position and salary will play, as it is a training position, stipend. So all the best, viewers. Those who are interested can apply for these positions. Thank you and please do like the video so that it will reach to a needy people who are in search of job, viewers, and subscribe our channel for all private and government jobs notifications. And thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews.